Okay, so welcome to the real estate market is crashing video for Central Florida. Oh my God. This is Rayce Robinson, your favorite Florida mortgage broker. Probably the biggest question I get, is the market going to crash? COVID, is that going to affect the market? The Delta variant, this variant. The truth is COVID really turned the market into a seller's market. It dropped rates, allowed people to get more house for less of a payment. Really made one of the biggest seller markets I've seen in a while. I wrote an article about that back right as COVID hit. And remember, when a seller's market doesn't mean it's all favor of the seller. The reason it's a seller's market is there's also a lot of buyers that want to buy because rates were low. So there's advantages and disadvantages to both markets. So what do I think is going to happen? Do I think COVID is going to be a factor? Answer no. Wasn't a factor in the, really nationwide in the real estate market. There's a lot of political stuff going on with vaccines and COVID and all that. But the real estate market is a market and ignored it completely. And basically the government's reaction, which was lowering the Fed funds rate to zero, really made it a seller's market. What's going to happen this year and into the following year? That's why I decided to do this video, because it's probably my most asked question. And I'm going to predict the future here. No one knows for sure. But here's what I'll tell you, is that what really dictates the market is the Fed, or I should say how the Fed influenced the market, is to interest rates. What's the Fed saying? They are going to raise rates, and next year, first half of next year, minimum, they're going to raise it, start raising rates at that point, and they put out a whole schedule to raise rates. Why are they going to raise rates? Because rates are at a record low. They feel the economy can handle it, and so they will move that up to see how the markets react to that. What does that mean to you? One, if you're a homeowner, that means you're still going to get some appreciation, but it's probably going to go down some. Two, is the market going to crash? Probably not. So many people moving here, so still low inventory. You'll start to see that go up. I think you'll see appreciation flatten out some. For new buyers, what's great is I think there'll be more options. There won't be, we call it the new normal right now to sell your house in 2 days, but that's not always been the normal, and that won't be the normal probably going forward. Again, anytime rates go up, it tends to affect the market negatively, meaning there's going to be more inventory. And for buyers, first-time home buyers especially, you'll be able to get into the game of real estate. A lot of buyers have been held out of the market. So what do I think going forward? This year, probably more of the same, though inventory has started going up in Central Florida and really around the nation. I think that trend is going to continue. I think the Fed will follow through with its promise to raise rates starting next year. You will start getting more inventory. And the new normal will be the normal that we always used to be used to, which it takes 3 or 4 months to sell your house. Yeah, you don't have to go out in the first 30 seconds that a house gets on the market. And the new normal will be kind of what the normal has been for a long time. And that will be that there will be a little bit of inventory. It'll take a little bit longer to sell your home. And there'll be more buyers, especially first-time home buyers, that will be able to participate in the market. Yes, payments will be higher, with rates being a little bit higher. But I still think, again, it will be a less stressful market, because if you bought or done anything over the last year or so, you realize, like, man, it is stressful to go out and compete against 20 other people putting an offer in on the same house. So what do you do? If you've thought about refinancing, don't wait. You need to do it now. Rates are going up. Two, if you're wondering, should I buy a house? Should I wait? Don't wait. Rates are there's going to be that really nice sweet spot. Rates are still low. Inventory is starting to move up a little bit. Especially throughout next year. I think it's a great time to be getting pre-approved, to get all your ducks in a row, to make sure that you can buy. And if we haven't worked together, Google me, look me up on YouTube, see what other people say about working with me. I feel like I partner with you, not to get the best deal on the mortgage, but to walk you through the whole process, help you figure out what programs are the best for you, and then get you the best deal on the mortgage with the lowest cost. So hope you're having your own personal recovery out there. If you're thinking of doing anything with real estate, give me a call. If there's anything I can do to help, let me know. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.